welcome to my channel, Alice Yummy Food. Today I'll show you how to make this delicious lamb chops marinated with my special marinade, and we're gonna grill them on this amazing thing that my dad bought. It's super awesome. Let's get started. So cut your meat. Right, so we're gonna put these on the grill. We're gonna add some oil. Look at that delicious meat. Guys and girls, I have my recipe on my website at aliceYummyFood.com. You'll find full ingredients and also directions on how to make this. And also you'll be able to find loads of other recipes that I do for my channel. Just click through, click on the picture, and you'll be able to see the whole video with the directions and the full recipe in English and Russian languages. If you want to add more flavor, you can use some red wine. So just buy any cheap wine that you have and just splash around me. Oh, look at this beautiful color. Like this cooks in seconds. This was on the grill for about 1 minute or 2. Okay, let's give this a try. Look at this juicy meat. Oh my god, this is so good. Super juicy in the middle, really crispy outside, melts in your mouth. You can actually eat it from your hand as well. So good, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this recipe. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Give us a big thumbs up, and I'll see you next week. Bye!